What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the serial number filler for Engrained. This is for the Hurricanes, the Senators, the Devils, and the Panthers. So we got Kyle on top, Grant on the bottom. Kyle on top, Grant on the bottom. And we got 1 through 10. We're going to random both lists 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times. Got Mike on top, Rob on the bottom. Gonna put that into a numbers spreadsheet. And for the numbers, 1, 2, and 3. 9 on top, 8 on the bottom. And we'll line that up with the names. Samich, you got 9, Grant 7, Eric 5, Mike 4, Rob 2, Kyle 3, Grant 1, Brett 6, Grant 10, which is 0, and Rob, you got 8. I'll just change that 10 to a 0. It was a little brain fart. And I'll print that out, and guys, there you have it.